So ayun mga throwwaves, turo ko sa inyo paano mag-calibrate nito. Marsocco GB5. So, lumang machine yan. So gusto nyo mag-calibrate, napasimple lang. Press nyo lang to within 10 seconds. Makikita nyo yan. Makikita nyo yun na lumabas tong water balloon. Then pili na kayo dyan kung alin ang which button you want to calibrate. It's either single, double, single longo, or double longo. So ayun, so now I'm going to calibrate this. See, as you can see, nag-reset sa ulit. So I want to press. See, volume, water volume programming. Then make sure your scale is there to 0. Then I want to calibrate this button, so it's easy. Just press like this, press, then press this one together with the scale. Okay, make sure na ang dose nyo is tama. Then after that, you stop by pressing again the same button. Okay, then stop here and on and off, then finish. Okay, so we have this calibration.